Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to invest in Ishares S&P 500 ETF. If you're looking to dip your toes into the stock market without picking individual stocks, this is a fantastic option. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what exactly is the Ishares S&P 500 ETF? It's an exchange-traded fund, or ETF, managed by BlackRock, that tracks the S&P 500 index. This index includes 500 of the largest and most stable companies in the US, like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon. Essentially, by investing in this ETF, you're getting a diversified basket of these top performers in one go. Why should you consider it? Well, it's all about diversification and ease. Instead of betting on a single stock, you spread your risk across hundreds of companies. Plus, ETFs like this one have low fees and are super liquid, meaning you can buy or sell shares throughout the trading day, just like stocks. Over time, the S&P 500 has historically delivered solid returns, making it a staple for long-term investors. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Choose a reputable platform like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. They all make it simple for beginners. Make sure to pick one that offers commission-free ETF trading to save on costs. Step 2. Do your research. Log into your account and search for the Ishares S&P 500 ETF, which has the ticker symbol IVV. Check its current price, expense ratio. It's usually under 0.03%, which is great, and any recent performance data. Remember, past performance isn't a guarantee of future results. Step 3. Fund your account. Deposit money from your bank, then place your order. Decide how much you want to invest. Even $100 can be a start. Use a buy order and specify the number of shares or the dollar amount. Of course, no investment is without risks. The stock market can be volatile, so your investment could go up or down. Inflation, economic downturns, or company failures could affect the S&P 500. Always invest what you can afford to lose and consider your overall financial goals. In summary, investing in Ishares S&P 500 ETF is a straightforward way to build wealth over time. But before you jump in, consult a financial advisor to tailor this to your situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. See you next time.